Good evening, welcome you all to this new English class. Today we will discuss in details about present progressive form, how to use present progressive form and where we should use this form. We will know all about it. Okay, so let's start the topic. The present tense has four aspects: present simple, present progressive, present perfect, present perfect progressive. The first two aspects indicate present time and the last two aspects indicate past time. Okay, in our previous class we have already discussed the present simple form and where and how to use the present simple form. We have discussed it in details. Today we will discuss about the present progressive form. We use the present progressive form of a verb for an action or a situation which is going on now. Which is going on now. It is an incomplete action at present. The action began sometime before now, going on at the moment of speaking, and it will continue till some point of time in future, then it will be completed. For example, he is studying Hindi there, or she is studying Hindi there, the girl is studying Hindi there, or Raju is studying Hindi there. If we say Raju is studying Hindi there, it means his action, the action of study began some point of time before now, and he is studying at the moment of speaking, and his study, that means Raju's study, will continue till some point of time in future, and then it will be completed. Similarly, we can take the other examples. The students are playing football. That means the action of the students playing football, it began, that means the action began sometime before now, and they are playing football at the moment of speaking, and it will continue till some point of time in future. Okay, here we see the structure of this present progressive form is subject plus verb plus ing, subject plus verb ing, that means fourth form of the verb. Next we will know the use of present progressive form. We can use the present progressive form, the present time action of a brief duration, action started some point of time before now, continue at present, and end at some point of time after now. We use the present progressive form for a temporary action. Action may not be happening at the time of speaking, over a period of time. We can use present progressive form when we talk about a changing condition. Finally, we can say that we use the present progressive form when we talk about something unpleasant, creating feeling of anger, irritation, etc. Okay. Now we will know the use of the present progressive form one by one. Number one, present time action of a brief duration. Look, Sarita is getting into the bus. Ravi is now entering the examination hall. Getting into the bus, it will not take longer period or longer time. The action takes place for a short period of time. So similarly, entering the examination hall, it does not take much time. So in this case we can use the present progressive form. Next, action started at some point of time before now, continuing at present, and end at some point of time after now. We have already discussed it well. It is raining now. That means the rain started at some point of time before now and it is continuing at present, and it will end at some point of time after now. Likewise, we can take the other examples. The boy is playing with his sister and I am writing a letter. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Number 3, a temporary action. He is getting up at 6 every morning now. It is a temporary action. He walks to school every day, but today he is going by bicycle. As a regular habit, he goes to school on foot, but today he is going to school by his cycle. Okay, it is an temporary action, not a regular action. Similarly, we can take the last example. He is staying at his uncle's. That means he is staying at his uncle's temporarily, not permanently. Okay, so in these cases we can use the present progressive form. Next, we use the present progressive form where actions may not be happening at the time of speaking but over a period of time. My father is writing a novel. That does not mean my father is writing a novel now at the time of speaking. You know, writing a novel, it takes a longer period. So the action is happening over a period of time, but it is not happening at the time of speaking. Similarly, I am constructing a building over there. That does not mean I am constructing the building now. I am doing something, some other thing now. My brother is searching for a job. That does not mean my brother is searching for a job now at the time of speaking. Okay, we use the present progressive form when we talk about a changing condition. Prices of commodities are going up every week. Changing condition. Population of our country is rising rapidly. Changing condition. Lifestyle of the people is changing very fast. It is a changing condition. Prices of commodities are not static but dynamic. Changing condition. Population of our country, it is rising rapidly. Changing condition. Okay, similarly, lifestyle of the people is changing very fast. Changing condition. It is not static. Next, and the last use of the present progressive form when we talk about something unpleasant, creating feeling of anger, irritation, etc. We use the present progressive form. For example, he is always losing his keys. Always losing keys. It is very unpleasant, creating irritation. That's why we have used the present progressive form in this sentence. He is always losing his keys. Next, Goody is always biting her nails. Biting her nails. It creates feeling of anger or irritation. That's why we have used the present progressive form. The cat is always getting into the kitchen. The cat is always getting into the kitchen. It also creates feeling of anger or irritation. That's why we have used the present progressive form. Here you mark, in such cases we use the adverbs always, forever, constantly, etc. In these sentences we use the adverbs like always, forever, constantly, etc. Okay, dear students, I hope you have gained some knowledge about present progressive form and where and how to use the present progressive forms. You can give your comments on comment box and can write your suggestions. Thank you all for watching this video. Thanks.